Hello, beautiful souls, and welcome to another enlightening journey through the depths of consciousness and the mysterious quantum realm. Today we are delving into a topic that has intrigued philosophers, scientists, and spiritual seekers alike for centuries: the quantum nature of consciousness. In this video, we will explore the fascinating intersection of quantum physics and the human experience. To truly understand the quantum nature of consciousness, we must first embark on a journey into the enigmatic world of quantum physics. At its core, quantum physics explores the behavior of matter and energy at the smallest scales imaginable, where classical laws of physics break down and give way to a reality that is beyond our everyday comprehension. One of the most mind-boggling aspects of quantum physics is the notion that particles at the quantum level exist in a superposition of states until observed. This means that until a measurement is made, particles can exist in multiple states simultaneously. This concept is beautifully encapsulated in Schrödinger's famous thought experiment with his hypothetical cat, which could be both alive and dead until observed. Now, let's pause for a moment and consider the implications of this. If the very building blocks of our physical reality exist in a state of potentiality until observed, could the act of observation itself be intimately tied to consciousness? This tantalizing idea is where the journey into the quantum nature of consciousness begins. Enter the observer effect, a fundamental concept in quantum physics that suggests that the act of observation collapses the wave function, forcing a quantum system to choose a specific state. This implies that consciousness, in some form, may play a pivotal role in shaping the physical reality we perceive. But what does this mean for our understanding of consciousness itself? From a spiritual perspective, the observer effect aligns beautifully with ancient wisdom that teaches us that our thoughts, intentions, and awareness have the power to shape our reality. It implies that consciousness is not a passive bystander in the unfolding drama of the universe, but an active participant, a co-creator of our reality. As we delve deeper into the quantum nature of consciousness, we stumble upon another fascinating concept: the interconnectedness of all things. Quantum entanglement is a phenomenon where particles, once entangled, remain instantaneously connected, no matter the distance that separates them. This instantaneous communication between particles defies classical notions of space and time. In the world of spirituality, we find a profound parallel here. Many spiritual teachings emphasize the interconnectedness of all living beings and the notion that we are all part of a greater whole. Quantum entanglement hints at a cosmic web of interconnectedness that transcends the boundaries of our individual selves, reinforcing the idea that our consciousness is intricately woven into the fabric of the universe. Now, let's journey deeper into the heart of quantum strangeness with the double-slit experiment. This iconic experiment involves shooting particles, such as electrons or photons, through two slits onto a screen. When unobserved, these particles behave as waves, creating an interference pattern on the screen. However, when observed, they behave as particles, leaving behind a pattern of distinct localized impacts. The double-slit experiment challenges our understanding of reality and suggests that particles can change their behavior based on whether they are being observed or not. This phenomenon raises profound questions about the role of consciousness in shaping the outcome of experiments and, by extension, the reality we perceive. From a spiritual perspective, this experiment invites us to contemplate the idea that our observation, our conscious awareness, has the power to collapse the infinite possibilities of the universe into a single, tangible reality. It reminds us that our perceptions are not passive, but active creators of our experience. As we continue our exploration, we encounter the concept of the quantum self, a notion that suggests our consciousness may not be confined to our physical bodies. In the quantum realm, particles can exist in multiple places simultaneously, challenging our conventional notions of space and individuality. From a spiritual perspective, the quantum self aligns with the idea that our true essence transcends the limitations of our physical form. It invites us to consider the possibility that our consciousness is part of a greater cosmic consciousness, a universal field of awareness that connects us to all living beings and the entire cosmos. Now, let's shift our focus to the transformative power of the quantum nature of consciousness. If our thoughts, intentions, and observations can influence the outcome of quantum experiments, can they also influence the course of our lives? In the world of spirituality and self-development, this idea is not new. It echoes the ancient teachings that emphasize the importance of mindfulness, positive thinking, and intention setting. It suggests that by aligning our consciousness with our highest intentions, we have the potential to manifest profound changes in our lives. What's truly remarkable about the quantum nature of consciousness is that it bridges the gap between science and spirituality. It shows us that these seemingly disparate realms of knowledge can coexist harmoniously. Science seeks to understand the mechanics of the universe, while spirituality delves into the nature of consciousness and the human experience. Yet in the quantum realm, we find a common ground, a place where science and spirituality converge, reminding us that we are both explorers of the cosmos and seekers of inner truth. As we conclude our venture into the quantum nature of consciousness, it's essential to acknowledge the limitations of our current understanding. While quantum physics offers tantalizing insights into the interplay between consciousness and reality, it leaves many questions unanswered. The nature of consciousness itself remains one of the greatest mysteries of our time. Science has made tremendous strides, but the full scope of consciousness continues to elude our grasp. This reminds us that our quest for understanding is a journey without end, a cosmic blend between the known and the unknown. Very well then, my fellow travelers of consciousness, our exploration of the quantum nature of consciousness has taken us to the very heart of existence. We've glimpsed the profound interconnectedness of all things, the transformative power of our conscious awareness, and the uncharted territory where science and spirituality merge. As modern spiritual seekers, let us embrace the wisdom of both ancient traditions and cutting-edge science. Let us recognize the role of our consciousness in shaping the reality we experience and strive to align our thoughts, intentions, and actions with our highest potential. In the grand scheme of existence, we are not merely observers. We are co-creators, dancing in the quantum realm of possibility. May this journey into the quantum nature of consciousness inspire you to explore the depths of your own inner world and to embrace the limitless potential of your consciousness. Thank you for joining me on this cosmic voyage, and remember, the mysteries of the universe are an invitation to explore, to grow, and to awaken to the infinite potential within us all. Until next time, keep seeking, keep expanding, and keep dancing in the quantum realm of consciousness.